Good evening and welcome to National Broadcasting News India, tonight's news update. Here are the top stories. Monsoon arrives in Kerala. IMD confirms early onset. The India Meteorological Department has confirmed the arrival of the monsoon in Kerala. This marks the earliest onset of monsoon in 16 years, with the last such early arrival recorded on May 23, 2009. Widespread rainfall and strong winds are expected across all districts today. A red alert has been issued for Kannur and Kasaragod districts due to the likelihood of extremely heavy rainfall. Tomorrow, a red alert is in place for Malappuram, Kozhikode, Wayanad, Kannur and Kasaragod districts. Additionally, on May 26, a red alert has been declared for the districts of Pathanamthitta, Idukki, Malappuram, Kozhikode, Wayanad, Kannur and Kasaragod. British woman arrested for alleged drug smuggling in Sri Lanka. Charlotte Mealy, aged 21 from South London, has been arrested in Sri Lanka after customs officials allegedly found 46 kg of the synthetic drug kush in her luggage at Colombo's Bhadranaike airport. The former flight attendant denies the charges, claiming the drugs were planted. Currently held in a prison near Colombo, she faces up to 25 years in prison if convicted. Her lawyer Sampath Pereira confirmed daily visits to ensure her well-being. Authorities say it is the largest kush seizure in the airport's history. Disney confirms The Devil Wears Prada sequel release date. The official release date of the comedy drama The Devil Wears Prada has finally announced. After rumors about the sequel surfaced online last year, Disney has now confirmed that the film is set for May 1, 2026 as per Variety. According to reports, American writer and author Stanley Tucci told the publication that he is aware the makers are working on the project. If it happens, I would be so happy, but I cannot give you any information. Otherwise, I'll go to the actor's prison or something. The original was one of the best experiences ever, he said. The Devil Wears Prada first released in 2006 and was pronounced a blockbuster, having minted $326.7 million worldwide. While Meryl Streep played the strange, no-nonsense boss of a high-end fashion magazine, Bland Anne Hathaway played her assistant in the feature. Bland became a household name after appearing in the film. In an earlier Variety special, the actor admitted as much. The film was based on Lorraine Weisberger's 2003 novel of the same name. Infant dies in Telangana after tragic incident involving drunken father. In a heartbreaking incident from Khanapur town in Nirmal district, Telangana, a 28-year-old infant died after suffocating under the weight of his drunken father. The father, Alakunda Shekhar, allegedly came home intoxicated and lay on the bed where his wife and infant were sleeping, unaware of the child's presence. The next morning, the infant's mother, Sujata, noticed blood coming from the baby's nose and swelling around the ears and neck. Despite rushing the child to the hospital, doctors declared the baby dead. The police have arrested Shekhar under Section 105 of the Indian Penal Code. The tragic event highlights the critical need for parents to exercise responsibility, especially in situations involving alcohol, to ensure the safety and well-being of their children. Defamation case against Amit Shah. Non-bailable arrest warrant issued for Rahul Gandhi. A non-bailable arrest warrant has been issued against Lok Sabha opposition leader and MP Rahul Gandhi. The MP-MLA court in Chai Bazar, Jharkhand issued the warrant directed Rahul Gandhi to appear in person before the court on June 26. The court rejected an appeal from Gandhi's legal counsel seeking exemption from personal appearance. The case pertains to remarks made by Rahul Gandhi against Amit Shah during the Congress plenary session in 2018. BJP leader Pratap Katiyar filed the defamation case. IPL 2025, Punjab Kings vs Delhi Capitals. In match 66 of the IPL 2025 season, Punjab Kings will face Delhi Capitals today, May 24th at the Savai Mansi Stadium in Jaipur. The match is scheduled to begin at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. This fixture is a rescheduled encounter as their previous meeting on May 8 in Dharmshala was abandoned due to border tensions. That's all for tonight. Thank you for watching. We will be back with more news tomorrow. Goodbye.